Hello, I'm going to give you a presentation today on my redesign proposal for Mensa.org. Um, in this redesign proposal, we will be recommending changing how some of the information is displayed to eliminate some confusion of the user that wanted to find information on how to apply for the organization. You don't want the user to lose any confidence in the site or organization because of important information being hard to locate. We will also be recommending the site do some restructure to become more mobile friendly. Society today is on the go a lot more and depend on the mobile devices throughout most of the day. It is important to design your site to keep up with this demand. We will be recommending a mobile-first approach, and applying these changes will ensure that the user has a more confident and friendly experience when visiting Mensa.org. Our site analysis was overall the users, when first viewing the site, found it clean and professional looking. We agree that the site shows a clear hierarchy of text and good use of white space and not too busy. The pages flow well and follow common form and design throughout all the pages and color contrast. The navigation works well throughout all the pages, and the tabs are clearly placed at the top of the pages and at the left of the pages. The tabs correctly link to the corresponding page they are assigned to. Clicking on the logo at the top of the page, all the pages quickly return you to the home page, which is nice as most users have become accustomed to this feature. The site seems to be about informing viewers on what Mensa is about and to get new candidates and applicants to join Mensa, but the site itself led to confusion with the users performing the test when it came to this task. We also found this information hard to locate at first. Adding a more clear and direct path to this information will help solidify the purpose of the site and make for a better user experience. A couple of small details that we noticed were that the Twitter icon is placed on an odd area of the site and could be moved to a more quickly visible area on the page. Also, there is no contact information located at the bottom footer where users are accustomed to finding it. Today's world moves faster than ever before, and society is always on the go. Mobile phones and mobile devices sales have risen considerably as an effect. As a matter of fact, mobile usage has overtaken desktop usage 63% to 37%. This number shows the importance of making sure your site is keeping up with the trend and providing a user-friendly experience for mobile device users. We pulled up and viewed Mensa.org on an Android mobile device, and the site displayed in its full website view. The problem with this is it causes the viewer to have to expand the website in order to click on or read anything, and this causes a unfriendly user experience. By using the mobile-first approach, when considering how to redesign a site, it will force to think about and focus on what's most important for your site to get out to the user. It also will give you the chance to focus on the specifics of what the user is looking for the most. Summary of our usability test results. For usability test, 3 users were chosen from different age to represent different skill levels and knowledges of computer and internet use. These testers were Cameron, Savannah, and Lori. The usability test design and the result of the test are attached and can be found in the appendices at the bottom of this proposal. When the users first looked at the site, their initial impressions were that they all thought the site looked professional and clean and not too busy. Lori and Savannah both realized right away what the purpose of the site was and who they were trying to target. They said that they felt it was a society for individuals with high IQs and that the site was trying to get new members to apply and inform on what Mensa is about. Cameron initially thought the site was about a disease or a condition and was targeting the elderly audience until he read through the pages and realized what Mensa actually was. Three of the same tasks were asked of each user to perform. What are the benefits that Mensa offers to the community? You have decided that you may be a candidate for Mensa and would like to find out about their membership fees and testing fees for the U.S. organization, and where do you feel you could find this info? And how would you go about registering for Mensa.org? On the first task, Cameron and Savannah quickly located the members benefit tabs. Lori first clicked on the About Us tab that did not take her to the home page or to the page that she was looking for. She then went back to the home page by clicking on the logo at the top of the page and glanced at the tabs again and located the Members Benefits tab pretty easily this time and clicked on it. For the second task, all 3 users struggled finding this information easily and quickly. First, Cameron felt he may find this information on the Mensa Workout tab at the left side of the page. After clicking on this tab and reading through the page it took him to, he decided this is not what he was looking for. He then decided to click on the National Groups tab at the top of the page, which took him to the page displaying several countries. He then clicked on the country of his choice, and that took him to a page displaying the information he was looking for. Savannah first scrolled a little bit and said that she didn't know. She then clicked on the About Us page, and this didn't take her to where she was wanting to go. She then scrolled up to the search bar and typed in fees. This also did not return the results that she was hoping to see. So she tried to type in membership fees. This still did not return any results. Savannah quit the task and said she couldn't find the information. She was frustrated. Lori first clicked on the membership benefits tab to search for this information. She scrolled through the page and could not find it. Next, she clicked on the About Us tab located at the left of the page and saw this wasn't it either. She then noticed the Find Your Local Country Site tab on the left and clicked on that. This ended up taking her to a page with various countries listed on it. She clicked on the country of her choice, and then she found the membership fees information she was looking for. All three users found this site to be frustrating and difficult when it came to finding out how to apply and become a member of Mensa and what the fees are that are associated with it. It either caused them to give up on the task or lose some credibility with the site and become aggravated. Overall, they found the site aesthetically pleasing and professional looking, but all said that they did not find the site very user-friendly or easy to find the information they were looking for. Following, we'll explain our recommendations to help the site become more friendly. After reviewing the results from the usability test, we feel aesthetically the general layout of the site is done well and appeals well to its users. It's got clean, crisp lines, good use of white space, and not too much going on and not too busy. Don't really understand what this is for and why you can't put a link on it, but it's not that big of a deal. We recommend adding a tab labeled How to Apply for Membership, leading to its own page explaining the requirements for applying to Mensa and how to go about this application process. We understand this information is located in different areas throughout the site, but users are having a difficult time locating this information quickly, and it's causing a confused state for them on what the site is trying to do. We feel this could easily correct that issue. These tabs should be included on both the navigation section on the left and the top of the pages. So we feel the tab should go here and then at the top up here as well. Another thing that you could do to help people quickly find these tabs is to make them a color that stands out from the others, such as something bright to catch their attention. So something that's red or orange or something like that that'll really pop at them. We feel would help a lot. Since this seems to be the main purpose of the site, we feel this should clearly stand out to the users. Another recommendation is making the site more mobile friendly for users on mobile devices. Right now, the site is displayed as a full site that is too much context for size of the screen available. We feel this can be more user friendly by removing the things not needed, such as images and news feeds on all the pages at once, to more of a tab format, only leading to individual pages for this content. This will focus the site on the most important things for the user, giving a more user-friendly experience. A couple of small things we noticed that we could change also is moving your Twitter icon, which is located down here up around the search bar. We think this is somewhere where people are more accustomed to finding these social media icons and would be more noticeable. The first time we looked at the site, I didn't even notice the Twitter icon down there. Another thing that we feel that could help users, and this is just another small thing, is on the site is down at the bottom you don't have any of your contact information. This happens to be, the footer is a big area where people all tend to go look for contact information a lot. We hope the Mensa organization reviews and accepts our recommendations, and we know that by making these small changes it will create a much more user-friendly experience. And that concludes our presentation today. Following, if you'd like to look through all the test results, they follow here on the proposal. We hope you like our recommendations and consider them, and we feel that it would be a good thing for your site. Thank you very much.